I knew you'd understand. Now I can finally figure out everything Pixie Dust is capable of.
Oh, what does Fairy Gary think about all this?
He doesn't exactly know.
What?
He doesn't really think we should tamper with Pixie Dust. Do you mind stirring?
Okay.
I guess he thinks it's just too powerful. Oh, you can't stop.
Oh, is that blue dust? You're doing this with blue dust?
Yes, and it just takes the tiniest bit. Can you believe it? Back up a little.
Ah!
Purple Pixie Dust. Wind. Purple equals fast flying talent.
Huh.
Garden talent next.
Zarina? Maybe you should, slow down a bit.
There's 5 pieces of petal for every 3 drops of extract.
Should it be bubbling like that?
Mm-hmm.
2? This time you're adding 2?
Uh-huh.
Ow! Zarina!